आई थिंक हमें ब्यूटीफुल लगना पड़ता है क्योंकि आप कैमरा लेकर हमारे पीछे पड़ जाते हो ना, हम जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं तो अब क्या करें, चॉइस ही नहीं छोड़ा आपने. But honestly, yes, our profession is in that way demanding, very demanding on our skin and requires a lot from our skin. So we have to be careful with the products that we use, the amount of care we take of our skin. Not necessarily कि मेकअप डाल के ही लोग खूबसूरत लगते हैं, मैं मेकअप के बिना भी लगती हूँ. ओके. मेरी माँ की खूबसूरती मुझे मिली है विरासत में. So I think it's each to his own. A lot of people, especially in a country like India with so many different weather conditions, you know, a lot of people have different skin types and tones, and they all need to take care of it according to how their skin is structured. And yeah, I think that's what you need to find out, what works best for you. And I strongly believe, I've been like growing up, any remedies जो भी होती थी वो भी एकदम नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक घर की जो मॉम बना कर देती थी, मुल्तानी मिट्टी या हल्दी लगा दो, हल्दी का लेप लगा दो या rub tomatoes or banana on your skin. So grown up touching my skin only with natural products,
Right.
which is why this is such a welcome thing in our market today and will help a lot of girls who are mindful of what they use on their skin.
Absolutely. Yes. Let's. You want to talk about inner beauty?
Yeah, that's why I asked. Second question was.
सर
how
इनर
im-
ब्यूटी नहीं होगा तो जितना भी मेकअप लगा दो आप खूबसूरत नहीं लगोगे. जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो.
I want to
That's
ask
true.
you, Sonakshi, that you have recently won the Mother Teresa Award for planting trees and being environment conscious. Is this extension forward? Because even the brand talks about plant us, you know.
Absolutely. I think as a person who is followed and you know viewed by people, followed by youngsters, I think it's very important and a big responsibility on my part to kind of take forward the things that I believe in. And sustainability, taking care of the environment, taking care of yourself, mental health, physical health. I think these are things that are very, very important to me, and I think I would want it to be an extension of whatever I do.
I hope we answered your question there. Thank you so much for asking that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
She got me.
Yes. Okay. Could we have the mic given to this lovely girl here? Yeah. What's your name? And your
Hi
question.
everyone, hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
I am Shravani Rane. I recently won Mrs. India Universe title as a runner-up from Mrs. India, She is India.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I am really privileged to meet you in person. And throughout that experience, I just want to ask you one question which we commonly come across while we are competing. What makes you beautiful or what beauty means to you?
I think it's a very cliched answer, but it's actually true. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And what makes anyone beautiful is what Mr. Sohail mentioned, is inner beauty. And how kind you are, what you give back to the world, how you are with people. I think that is something that can make anybody beautiful. So you really have to just... that was such a Miss Universe type answer, no? मैं compete करूँ क्या?
Yes, I just wanted to understand what will be your answer to that question because we
But no,
commonly-
I really believe that. I think it really makes a difference how you treat people and how kind you are to the world and how much you give back to the world.
That's absolutely true.
So बाद में बात करेंगे ना, आप चाय पे मिलो मेरे को.
All right. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end. But before we have, yeah.